Hello guys, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from Lexus and Company. Today's my topic is Harsal Crime Supreme Court dismissed the government's bill challenging High Court direction to keep a family member the victim. Let's start. What is the judgment was passed? The Supreme Court on a Monday dismissed a petition filed by the state of Uttar Pradesh challenging the Allahabad High Court direction to consider giving job to a family member of Hathras crime victim and the relocated the family from Harsha. At the outset itself, the bench comprises Chief Justice of India, their Chanchu Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Dhardhiwa expressed surprise at the state coming appeals against the High Court order, told the bench that the state is ready to relocation this family, but they want to Noida, Ghaziabad or Delhi. Whether the elder marriage brother couple be regarded as dependent of the victim was question of law to be considered, the AGJ added. However, the bench said that it is not inclined to interfere consideration in the real fact and circumstances of cases. These are facilitated provided to a family which should not be interfered. State should not come up in this state. CJ Chandrachud told the AAG. In fact, the circumstances of present case we are not inclined to entertain the special leave petition under the Article 136 of Constitution. The ban dictated the order. When the AAG requested that the question of law be kept it upon, the CGI point out that the order has been specifically that is passed in the special fact and circumstances of case. The state was the High Court direction. The state failed the petition against the direction passed by the division bench of High Court on July 26 in show motor case registered over the Harsha crime related to allegedly murder or gang rape of digit girl. The Uttar Pradesh government was directed to consider given employment of one of the family member of victim under the government undertaking comments with the qualified position by them. The High Court passed the order taking noted the social economic background of family and the right granted by the SC/ST Act 1989 Analysis Act and the rule made thereunder. The court come to conclusion that the victim family has legal basis for the claiming or relocated job. The argument of the state that the provision of employment in such cases was violated Article 14 and 16 is without any constitutional and legal basis was rejected. The High Court also took into account the fact that the major of population in village belonging to the upper caste state, and it stated that the family is always targeted by the other villager even after being under the security CRPF whenever the family member go out. They are subjected to abusing objection committed in a village in the back door. The court directed the state or recruited the India elsewhere within the state. The case has received nationwide attention after the visual of police cremating the body of victim in the middle of night allegedly without any consent on the family. The PL was filed in the Supreme Court seeking out-mentioned investigation on account of allegedly lapses on the part of the state police. And thank you so much guys. I hope you will be like it. Become with आप अगर हमें साथ देंगे, हम नए नए टॉपिक नई नई चीज़ों के साथ आपके साथ आएंगे, जुड़ेंगे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.